On today's vlog, I'm gonna show you guys the most efficient and fastest way to fix a flat tire on your bike using this 1678 BC Huffy Strider. Let's go. So let's say you have a flat. Oh man, how am I gonna pick up my 17 wives later? The tools you're gonna need are a flathead screwdriver, a top secret pouch with patches, an old rustic clamp, a hairbrush, a jar of some petroleum jelly, a miniature BMX bike, an air blower thingy, a marker to catch some slams, a pen to write some bars, a shank, some Dove beauty cream lotion, and some stethoscope iBud earphones. These are quick release wheels, so all I gotta do is quick the release, or release the quick. Wow, that was quick. All right, so we have the wheel off. Next step is we gotta take this off of the rim, this being the tire. So now you wanna grab your handy dandy blower and make sure you blow all bacteria and molecules away from the tire. I think that works. Next, I'm gonna take my handy dandy rusty clamp and I'm gonna clamp the tire. Tire clamped. Next, we're gonna use our handy dandy top secret pouch. What's inside the top secret pouch? You may ask yourself. The holy grail of flat fixer. Get them at a Walmart near you. Two of them. Two are better than one. Two for me, none for you. Next step, we're gonna take both of these little flat thingies, we're gonna call them flat thingies. And we're gonna take one, put it right there. You see? Right there. And then we're gonna take another one, take another one. Put it right there. Bam, look at that. You see? Next, we gotta take the flathead screwdriver and we gotta just like rub it. Make sure you rub it and you massage it for like 23 minutes. Just rub it. Rub it gently now. You can also play a tune. Your bike wheel loves it when you play a tune. Yeah, I'm the hottest beat maker on the block. Alright, when you're done dropping your hot beat, next, you can just work the tire off of the rim. You ready? I'm gonna work the tire off of the rim. Work the tire off of the rim. You can do it, tire. You can do it. Go. We got it. Now you take off your rusty clamp. Perfect. Once you have your tire off of the rim, you'll be able to access the inner tube. Now you want to take off your little valve stem fitted cap. It's one of the new era joints. So now that your fitted cap is off, now we can just take off the wheel and see the inner tube. So far, so good. Next step is we gotta take this little miniature bike, kind of like a miniature bike guard, and we just gotta like rub it for good luck. Just rub it. Bishimala, vegan hot cheese, con el broccoli. Oh, hallelujah. So after you rubbed your bike for good luck, now you need your stethoscope iBuds. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that you got both of them inside your ear, right? So now, once you have both your earbuds in your ears, now you must take the aux end and now you must put it around the tube so you can hear where the hole is at. You'll hear the hole pulsating. We're just gonna listen. Make sure you gotta listen. Make sure it's quiet because you wanna hear the hole. I think I found it. And now for our bonus random out of the blue tool, we're gonna need this air attack air pumper, right? Air attack, yeah, we're about to attack this tire. So what we're gonna do is, just to be safe and make sure that our stethoscope provided us an accurate reading, we're going to fill up the tire and make sure that the hole is where we thought it was. So let's pump this bad boy up, take it out too. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. What also works too is spinning the tube around your neck so that you can feel the air blowing your skin. I was never any good at that stuff anyway. Okay guys, I think this tube is good other than this pre-existing patch that was on there from the past. It looks like it could be a potential slow leak coming from below it. So what should we do? Should we just peel it off or should we just slam another patch on top of it, right? Let's slam another patch on top of it. What you think? They're like, no, Tim, don't do it. In fact, I'm gonna peel it off. Whoa, I think I ruined the tube, guys. All right, guys, so now we got a nice gigantic hole. You see that gigantic hole? It's a big gigantic hole. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with a little bit of Dove. The Dove allows it to have some love. Dove. Now let's hit it with some love. You better. You better. I'm telling you, if you don't do this, we on YouTube, dog. You better fix yourself. This. Fatality. Alright guys, so after showing your inner tube some tough Dove, I just removed all debris. So any other existing patch or debris that was on the tube, I removed it off. Next step is, we're gonna pull out our handy dandy patches. Check it out, the slime scab. Yeah, we're gonna take a scab, right? We're gonna take a scab. Achoo! Oh snap, my bad. Alright, so now we're gonna peel the slime scab, and now we're just gonna stick it on the hole. This hole is kind of big. I didn't expect for this hole to be that big. I probably helped make the hole bigger. Now look it, I'm gonna show you guys. You ready? I'm gonna stick it right over the hole. Now the good thing about these slime scabs is the slime scab doesn't require any glue. Remember how you used to have to scratch them with the scratcher, then put a little bit of glue, and then light it on fire? We ain't gotta do none of that today. No, none of that. So you wanna allow it to dry for about 10, maybe 15 minutes just to be safe, to allow the actual adhesive to stick and the circumference of the radius times the spectrum minus the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious equals ostentatious. So as you're letting your patch dry, now you pull out a handy dandy notebook out of nowhere. It wasn't even on the list. And remember that marker? We about to really put the marker to work. Meanwhile, while it's drying, you get your little hands on. You get your little tag on. Ta-da! Yeah, y'all see that? T to the O to the O to the N. Make sure to smell the inner tube to make sure it's dry completely. Because if you don't smell it, it might not be dry. It's not dry yet. Since we ain't got nothing but time to kill, we might as well pull out your handy dandy big pen and the handy dandy notebook, and we're about to get our handy dandy bars on. We're about to write a couple bars. You ready? I be rapping about my huffy while I'm watching my show called Buffy. Ew! I quit! Yo, Drake, you need a ghostwriter, dog? You know what time it is? I ain't gotta watch, dude. You know what time it is? No. It's time to get our air attack on. Let's put some air in the tube, dude. Slow motion. Take it forever. Hurry up. Let's pump this bad boy up. You ready? Let's see if my patch failed. Alright guys, my patch did the damn thing right there. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Wow, that worked excellent. Now when it's all sealed and you're sure of it, now you gotta pull out your handy dandy shank and just Next step is you gotta fit the inner tube back inside the tire and then put it back on the rim. Excellent. Once the inner tube is placed correctly inside the rim, next thing you wanna do is take out your brush and brush your little goop. You know what I mean? Because you gotta make sure your goop is on point for your flat fix change. Now I'm gonna take the tire and I'm gonna put it on the rim. Alright guys, so it's correctly installed. Check it out. Now you take your little blower and you blow off all molecules and dust. Don't forget, you don't want it to get an infection. If your tire gets an infection, you'll be back for another flat fix in no time. See, my tire had a little bit of gangrene right there, but because I blew it, the gangrene ain't spread anymore. Alright, last but not least, you want to take your wheel and place it back on the frame. When the rim's back on the frame, now just tighten up your axle. And now, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, children all alike, you just fixed your flat tire. Let's fill it up and see what it looks like. Remember, you gotta pump it like you're pumping a TNT bomb. And there you have it, my friend. You just fixed your flat tire. The last thing you want to do is use the petroleum jelly for the most secretive part ever. You gotta take plenty of petroleum jelly, right? Just take a bunch of it. Just take a bunch of it. You guys know about petroleum jelly, don't you? Don't be lying. I know you know about petroleum jelly. And then you just, you know what I mean? You just want to rub it all in, you know, so they're nice and shiny. And then you just go for a ride. Let's go for a bike ride, guys.
Damn, we doing these end screen credits dirty. A stuffed burrito with a bowl and some chips on the side.